Hello guys, I am a speedcuber, and if you don't know what that means, well, I know how to solve this thing. And today I've got three patterns to show you. So the first one, so you can hold your cube however you want, I just specifically like it with red, white and blue facing me. And what you want to do for the first one is just copy me. I don't know the names for these moves, by the way. So I think these are called M. So you go D2, M2, M2, and that's your first pattern. I know it looks really simple, but what's even funnier is that if you then just do like H perm, if you're on speak, if you don't know what that one means, then you've got this one as well. So this is actually 4 patterns. I'm not retitling that. Now, if you think that was a good one, I want you guys to like and subscribe, because these videos take ages to make and edit and all that type of stuff. Even though there's not a lot going on, it takes me a lot to think, and sometimes I can't even come up with video ideas. So the next one is going to be the checkerboard pattern. Everyone knows this one, probably. So you want to do M2, 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 or you can just do like that, like that, like the same way I did it. Now the final one is going to be a bit more difficult, I think. I don't know. So first Q2, then you do R2. I mean, that's just for me. R2. And then if you do that, you get the other pattern. But no, what you want to do is D2 and then M2. And then you get this pretty cool one, which if I show it in the correct direction, you see you've got a dot, a checkerboard, and a line, which is really cool. That's all I have for you guys today. Please like and subscribe. I know I already said that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed my tutorial.